In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp Cant access 5 minutes. If those sites suddenly won't load or you keep getting stuck on login screens, the most common cause is corrupted cookies or outdated site data in your browser. We'll quickly clear that out and get you back online. Start by opening your browser. This fix works in most modern browsers, including the popular ones on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Make sure you don't have a bunch of tabs you need to save, because we'll be clearing site data that may sign you out of some services. Now, look for the main menu button. It's typically the three-dot icon near the top corner of the window. Click that to open the menu. If you see 3 lines instead of 3 dots, that's okay. It's the same idea. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where the browser keeps options for your account, appearance, and all the privacy tools we need today. Inside Settings, find the section called Privacy and Security. This area controls what your browser stores, including cookies, cached files, and other site permissions. We're going to remove only what's necessary to refresh your connection to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data. A panel will appear with several checkboxes. For this fix, select Cookies and other site data. Cookies are tiny files that keep you signed in and remember your preferences. When they get outdated or corrupted, they can block access or cause endless loading. You can leave other options unchecked if you want to keep your history and cached images, but make sure cookies and other site data is selected. If there's a time range option, choosing at least the last 7 days is often enough. Selecting all time is a more thorough reset if the issue has persisted for a while. Click on Delete Data to confirm. Your browser may take a moment to remove everything. Once it's done, close that panel. Now open Facebook again and check the connection. The page should load cleanly and you may be prompted to sign in again, which is normal after clearing cookies. Try the same with YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp Web. They should all respond faster and more reliably. If you still see odd behavior, refresh the page once or sign back in to reset your session. That's it, you've cleared out the problematic site data and restored access in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back on